Shadow in the Sea, Part 3. The Story of Young Shark. Voice of the Ocean. The young shark had seen a lot since leaving home-bleached reefs, floating trash, and creatures in danger. But it had also learned something powerful. Knowledge brings change. Now, the young shark had a new purpose. It swam across the reef to meet the other sea creaturous schools of fish, wise sea turtles, sleepy octopuses, and even dolphins. "We must protect our home," the shark said. "Not just for us, but for everyone." At first, some animals were unsure. "What can we do?" asked a tiny clownfish. "We're small, but together," said the shark, "we are strong." So the creatures began working as one. The turtles cleaned up seaweed and old nets. The dolphins helped untangle plastic waste. The fish spread messages of change. Even the crabs started guarding the coral from invaders like crown-of-thorns starfish. The young shark became known throughout the reef as a leader not because it was the biggest, but because it cared the most. One day, a group of divers visited the reef. They watched in awe as the fish swam freely and the coral began to glow with color again. Cameras clicked. The divers were scientists and ocean lovers. "Look at this place," said one. "Sharks are here. The reef is alive. We must protect this area." The young shark circled gently, watching from below. And then, something wonderful happened. The area was marked as a protected marine zone. No more fishing nets, no more plastic dumping, and no more fear for the sea creatures that live there. News of the reef's healing spread across the oceans. Other sharks in distant waters heard the story. If one young shark could inspire so much, they thought, maybe we can too. And so, the sea began to change all at once, but wave by wave, the young shark returned home, older now, but full of pride. It looked out across the ocean and smiled. "I was just one shark," it thought. But every voice, even in the deepest part of the sea, can make ripples that reach the surface. Final lesson. Even the smallest action like learning, sharing, or helping one friend can grow into something big. Sharks are part of a living ocean, and so are we. When we listen, protect, and care, the whole world can heal.